Welcome to using the smoker burner with your Napoleon grill. Smoker burners are featured on our Pro 825 and Pro 665 models. The smoker burner is designed to be used in conjunction with the smoker tray. Soaking wood chips before use will slow burning and increase smoke flavor. Open the smoker tray and place a small amount of wood chips into the smoker tray. As it is very easy to over-smoke, use small amounts on your first few attempts. Insert the smoker tray back into the grill. Follow the smoker burner lighting instructions by turning the burner to the high position and pushing the igniter switch. Once the grill ignites, close the grill. Operate the smoker burner on high for 5 to 10 minutes. Once the wood chips begin to smoke, turn the burner off. To get a smoke flavor, all that is required is a wisp of smoke. Smoke billowing out of the unit is not desired and will often leave a sooty deposit on the food which doesn't taste good. Throughout the smoking process, it will be necessary to replace the wood chips. This is done when you begin to notice an absence of smoke. If the adjacent burners are also on, this can also impact how long the wood chips will last. Carefully remove the burner tray and discard the used wood chips into a fireproof container. Wood for smoking comes in various forms: chunks, chips, dust, and pellets. It also comes in many varieties of flavors from apple to walnut, each transmitting a different taste. Use only wood that you know has not been treated. Or, better still, buy from your authorized Napoleon dealer. Happy grilling!